And so hello everyone, welcome sa ating SSP or Site Survey Planner Training or Workshop. So SSP is for mga pang pre-sales part natin. So mga pre-sales engineer. So yan po, nakakatulong ang SSP or kung naka-encounter na kayo ng gumagawa ng heat map sa so ganun po. Panggawa siya ng heat map. This SSP is to test the access points before deploying. So, kailangan mo lang ng map or yung plan at ipa-plug in mo yung ating mga access points. So, one by one ipa-plug in. So, let's see. So, before we start, I am Engineer Jhomel Blanco. So, I am your host for today. Okay, so main requirement for SSP is syempre yung Ruji Cloud account. Ayan. So, lahat naman. So, kasi sa cloud account natin, so dyan yung Ruji Cloud. So, sa mga monitoring ng device, gagamitin natin. So, same din yung credentials na gagamitin mo sa SSP, yung Ruji Cloud account din. And also the laptop. Okay, so before we go to SSP, so SSP is a part of WIS. So WIS is short for Wireless Intelligent Service. So it is a set of wireless intelligent operation and maintenance or ONM solution. So it provides the complete OMM service from excellent wireless network experience, yan, including a single client, view and hierarchical views of operation investor. So it provides various one-click functions such as preview, health check, and diagnosis, optimization, reports, defense, and upgrade. So WIS meets all the requirements from delivery to preventive O&M operation. So si WIS is designed for our enterprise product o yung ating mga Ruji product. So if meron kang controller, so dito si WIS ginagamit. So may controller ka. So mag-integrate ka ng cloud and controller. So you want to monitor. So this is the platform for you to use. This is the WIS. So si WIS meron siyang tatlo. So yung ating WIS-Pi, Wi-Fi Moho, and also the SSP. So SSP is part of WIS. So WIS-Pi yun yung during monitoring and during testing or yan pag functional na yung mga devices. And for Moho, yun yung during testing. So tinetest mo na yung ating mga device. So kung naka-install and you will test the signal strength, yung ping testing, ayan. So dyan nasin si Wi-Fi Moho. And si SSP for pre-sales part. So before the deployment. So SSP is a planner. So pinaplano mo kung gaano karaming access point sa isang building, sa isang room. Ayan. So pinaplano mo. So ite-test, isa-simulate mo yung signal nila para malaman mo kung may interference ba, kung tama na ba yung access point ko. So this is help to you. Okay, so SSP, yan nga, is part of WIS system. So the survey system is managed by the WIS account or our Ruji Cloud account also. So the survey system helps pre-sales personnel output the document and simulate the scenarios for the AP's deployment. So however, the scenario simulated by the survey system may not apply to the actual circumstances due to unpredictable on-site environment. So of course, hindi naman ganun ka-accurate yung ating sabihin nating makukuhang result. So meron niyang variances depende dun sa actual scenario. Pero syempre, since ikaw magsiset ng ating mga parameters doon is makukuha mo yung siguro yung 99% ng result. Okay, to access our SSP, so you have to input the wis.regionnetworks.com address in your browser. So wis.regionnetworks.com. So yan yung kanyang web address. So, sa WIS, yan, meron tayong tatlo. Ayun, si WISPy, si Moho, and SSP. Okay, si Site Survey Planner. So, SSP, after mo i-click si SSP, is ipapalagin niya yung cloud account mo. So, since unified, so kung ano yung cloud account mo, yun din yung gagamitin mo account for SSP. So, if wala ka pa cloud account, so I think meron naman tayo lahat. So, ito lang naman yung pag-register kung paano gumawa ng account natin. So, sign up your account. So, kailangan mo lang ng email address, yung working email address or yung existing email address mo. Then, set up ka ng password and image verification. And also, i-verify mo yung email account. So, magsisend ng code sa email mo para ma-verify yung account. Okay, so after mo maka-create or meron ka ng account for our cloud or Ruji Cloud, so makaka-login ka na sa ating SSP. So ang first dashboard na makikita mo is ito. So My Project. Yan. So kung wala ka pang na-create, so bago pa lang, ayan. So ito yung page na makikita mo. So My Project, My Recycle Bin, and Create Project. So in creating projects, click mo lang yung create projects, then you have to input our project name, site survey personnel. So site survey personnel, kung sino yung gagawa, start time and end time, and also yung customer. So required yung customer at yung project name. So mandatory yon, kailangan i-fill up yung project name and customer. So yung customer is kung para kanino intended yung SSP natin. And also yung solution maker, so you can input your company here, or you can set as default yung rowiginetworks.com. Okay, so after creation succeeded, ayan, so makikita mo, meron kang option to edit the project. So pwede mo pang edit yung mga parameters na nilagay natin kanina. So you can edit, or you can click the design proper. So para makapasok ka na dun sa design. Yan. So before we go to the design, so dito sa after creating the project, so you can may option yan. You can edit also and you can delete. So pag delete mo yung ating project, is mapupunta muna siya sa recycle bin. So hindi siya totally deleted. So if gusto mong i-restore, so kunwari na accidental delete, you can restore from the recycle bin. So para maibalik siya sa projects mo, or you can empty the recycle bin. So para ma-clear lahat. So permanently delete na lahat ng nasa recycle bin. Okay, so ang heatmap natin is using a project tree. So syempre, mga projects is sometimes it includes many buildings. So hindi lang sa ibang scenario is hindi lang iisang building. So may mga floors per building. So we use tree or project tree system natin. So structure. So from building 1, including dun yung mga floors niya, naka by floor, and yung building 2, ayan, naka by floor din. So ito yung ating dashboard or makikitang page if you create a design or you're designing. So adding a building prompt will pop up if first time create the project or create the heat map. Ayan. So you have to add a building and floors. Okay, so after you add a floor, may lalabas na import floor plan. Ayan. So yung floor plan natin must be a JPG or PNG. Oh yes, JPG or PNG. So other formats is hindi pa accepted or hindi pa siya compatible. So yung mga kagaya ng siguro is naka .dwg or yung mga naka AutoCAD. So, hindi pa kaya. Yun. So, hindi pa, dapat naka-picture siya or naka-JPG or PNG format. So, format cannot exceed 28 by 28 pixels. Okay, so after you import our yung ating yung ating heat map or yung floor plan, ayan, floor plan, ayan. So na-import mo na yung floor plan. May option dito sa gilid yung mga renaming. So you can rename buildings and floors. So hindi naman na floor 1. So yung iba may mga basement, yan, mezzanine na tinatawag. So you can rename our floor and building. So you can choose your own naming. So after imported yung ating floor plan is you can the first step is to set a scale. So syempre may sukat yung floor plan natin. So you have to scale it. So draw ka lang ng isang line. So alam ko naman sa floor plan is mayroon naman yung mga sukat. So isang line lang para ma-scale lahat. So para accurate yung sukat. So kunwari ito, papunta dito is a 10-meter distance. Ayan, 10 meters yan. So i-scale mo lang para yung buong floor plan natin is kung magdodraw ka na ng obstacle is accurate yung drawing. So after creating or scaling, so you have to draw naman yung mga obstacle natin. So you manually draw. Manually draw the obstacle. So yung mga obstacle natin. So may mga iba't ibang uri kasi yan. Yung walls, yung mga concrete walls or plywood na walls. Depende. So door, kung ano yung door natin. May mga windows. Ayan. So sa floor plan natin. So you have to draw everything, yung mga obstacles. Then after mong ma-draw lahat ng obstacle, you have to click the save para mag-take effect yung mga obstacles. So you can also edit the obstacle. So right-click lang natin yung obstacle na yon para ma-edit. So ma-edit mo yung thickness in meters ng mga obstacles natin. So in editing walls, may mga other operation din tayo. So you can undo, redo, yan, drag, may mga zoom in, zoom out, yan, kung hindi mo makita, so you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can recover the actual size. Also, you can click full screen and you can edit the transparency of our floor plan. And also, you can send feedback on the system. So kung may mga suggestion kayo or may mga gusto kayong ipadagdag or baguhin, you can send a suggestion to the feedback button. Okay, so may clear button din para ma-remove lahat ng dinraw mong obstacle. So kung gusto mong i-redraw lahat, you can also change floor plan. Ayan, so you can change the floor plan. Kung may pagbabago dun sa floor plan, so kung may nagbago dun sa plano, you can change floor plan. And then next, so after mo ma-draw yung mga ating obstacles, so okay na lahat, then is maglalagay ka na ng mga access point sa ating floor plan. So dun ka lang sa AP list. So sa AP list, meron dyan wall plate AP and omni or directional AP. So sa omni and directional, andun na yung outdoor and indoor natin. So alam na natin pagkakaiba na omni. Omnidirectional is 360 yung kanyang signal. Directional is meron lang siyang degrees. So I think 60 degrees yung signal. So, para i-place yung AP is, tatapatan mo lang yung AP na yan. So, kunwari, napili mo is indoor. So, AP 180, sabihin natin. Then, kiklik mo lang yun, then ida-drag mo siya. So, kiklik mo, i-hold mo, and ida-drag mo siya dun, papunta sa floor plan, kung saan siya ilolocate. So, very easy yung paglagay ng ating mga access point. So, may edit option. So, you can edit the parameters of AP. So, yung mga parameters like channel, yan, mga power in dBm. So, yung mga power in dBm, you can check the actual. So, yung specs, actual specs, para makita kung tama ba yung naka-default. So, mostly yung mga default natin is tama naman. So, yung pag may mga update lang, so iba may update, so hindi pa na-update dito sa SSP, you can edit the parameters natin like channel and power in dBm and also in milliwatts. Okay, so yung icon size, meron kang dalawang pagpipilian, yung normal or tiny. So if you suggest na masyado pang malaki, pwede pa natin i-suggest dun sa ating feedback button. So ako personally is sinasuggest ko na medyo malaki pa yung mga icon. So baka pwede pang meron pang mas maliit sa tiny. Okay, so you can import also or export pala rather yung ating information in worksheet, yung mga access point information. So you can click device list and import or rather export mo yung mga devices or yung mga access points of floor plan. So other function, may mga RSSI filter. And also yung most important yung ating simulation. So sa simulation, meron siyang 6 different simulation types. So dalawang signal strength for 2.4 or 5G. So to check the signal strength ni 2.4 at 5G ng ating mga access point. And then the speed ni 2.4 and ni 5G. And the channel interference ni 2.4 at ni 5G. Yan. So kung naka-online simulation type at click mo yung gusto mong mas i-simulate or i-testing, ayan. So ito yung makikita mo. May heat map ka na makikita. Yan. So para malaman mo kung tama na ba yung mga nilagay mong devices, kung sakto na ba. So, or nasasakop na ba niya yung desired natin. So after nun, you can save. And then after save, so other functions, meron tayong close. Yan, to close the project. And meron ding log out to log out the account. And also yung measurement. So you can measure. So kunwari, nilagay mo dito si AP 1 and another AP 2 dito sa position 2. Then hindi mo alam yung sukat. So syempre, hindi natin alam yung sukat, yung layo nila. So you can measure. So since nag-set ka ng scale, so pag measure mo yon, so actual din yung sukat na yan. From 81 to 82. Yan. So to export the report, ayan, may export report. Andiyan na yung mga report natin ng may export. So pag na-export mo siya, mada-download mo siya as doc format or document. Naka-Word file siya. So you can edit yung mga ma-export natin like wireless network summary, device list, yan, tool metric and solution, EP location, and the risk prediction. So you can download it. And syempre, pag naka-Word file siya, pwede mo i-save as PDF para hindi na ma-edit kung isi-send na natin kay customer. Okay, so siguro ipakita natin before we end yung ating WIS or ating SSP. Okay, so go to our SSP. WIS, yan, .regionetworks.com. So para makita nyo lang din yung interface. Yan, so ito si WIS. So sa all products, ayan yung sinasabi ko, si WISPy, si Moho, and si SSP. So login mo lang si SSP. Yan, then ilalagin mo yung account mo. So, di ba, i-redirect ka niya sa Ruji Cloud account. Ayan. So, ito na yung aking account. So, sa loob ng account ko, so meron akong tatlo yan. So, we can edit, delete. Yan. So, meron akong projects. And yan yung tatlong projects nagpa-design sa akin. So, if you want to create a project, yan, create project here. So, ito yung required. Yan, sabi natin print. Yan. So, after mo mag-create, you have to enter the design. Ayan, sa design. Yan. So, yung sinasabi natin, to add building. And you can edit the name of the building. Building A and then pag kinlik mo to, add floor yon. So you can add the floor. Yan. So pag nag-add ka ng floor, may lalabas na ganito. So ito yung mga formats na pwede, JPG, PNG, bitmap, ayan, DXF. Pero yung recommended natin, PNG and JPG. Okay, so balik tayo siguro dun sa mga nagawa na natin. Yan, para makakita tayo ng sample. Ayan, so isang floor, ayan. Yan yung sample natin. So draw na din yung mga obstacles, ayan, and then may mga access point na. So you have to simulate, ayan, may mga simulation type. Signal ni 5 GHz, you can simulate. Ayan, so may heat map na lalabas. You can change the simulation type, 2.4, sabihin natin kay 2.4. Okay, so ganyan. Ganyan po yung simulation type. So kung maglalagay ka kasi ng AP, ito. So kiklik mo lang yan, then hold, and ida-drag mo papunta kung saan location. So ganun po siya. Maglagay ng AP. Okay, so pakita din natin yung imported na import natin na report. So yung report ng SSP na. So let's see here. Okay, so sinave ko siya as PDF. Yan. So ganito yung nasa loob ng SSP report. Yan. Yan. Kung sino gumawa. Then yung content niya, yan, wireless. Network construction overview, device list. Yan, yung mga device list. Field survey principle, coverage scheme. Ayan, wireless network indicators like coverage, co-channel interference. capacity, the number of staff or yung mga user associated. Okay, so balik. And also yung delay, ayan, yung risk determination, co-channel interference, special apps, and yung heat map. Ayan, so makikita natin yung heat map. So ang nilagay ko lang na heat map is I think 2.4. So you can include also the other heat map like 5G speed. So yung 6 na types ng heat map or yung 6 na simulation types natin. Okay. So if ever may mga product support or may mga hindi tayo alam, gusto nating malaman. So meron tayong RITA. So we can access via web. Ayan. So ruijinetworks.com/RITA. So kay RITA, meron siyang mga basic information. Ayan. Like RAI product parameters, RAI product battle card. Ayan. RAI common configuration, RUGI common configuration, ayan. RUGI device management, technical documents, and hot topic. So hot topic, this is updated every week. So you can also key in your question. So default, sabihin natin default IP of EG. Ayan. Yan. So dito mo makikita. And also meron siyang live chat dito sa baba. Banda baba. Live chat button. So si Rita is 24/7. So you can access anytime. Live chat naman. So para kapag interact ka with our tech support or tech support, technical assistance in China. So they are available every day from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So click mo lang yung live chat. Then makakausap ka na ng engineers from our TAC. So if para sa mga concerns or yung mga support na gusto nating makuha. Okay, so I think that would be all. So kindly send na lang po yung ating survey link or pa-generate na lang yung survey link natin.